Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. Now I'll show you how to put your iPhone 15 Pro Max into DFU mode. DFU mode is the deep recovery mode. I'll show you how to do it using Windows device. You can do it in the same way using the Mac device, but if you are using Windows device, you need to use iTunes application. Okay, cool. So we need to have USB-C cable, and we need to connect our iPhone to the PC. If you wanna put your device into a DFU mode, for the first time, you need to click Trust, and on your PC click Continue. So you can open DFU mode on your device, on your Windows device, if you have connected your iPhone with your Windows device earlier. Cool. Welcome to your new iPhone. Setup as new iPhone. Continue. I read save. Oh my gosh, maybe not save, just continue. Get started. Cool. Fine. Great. Now we need to press volume up, volume down, then press and hold power button. When the screen will be disabled, we need to don't leave in the power button, click and hold volume down and count 5 seconds. Then release power button and still hold volume down. Okay, so let's try. Okay, let's try. So volume up, volume down, and power button. One, 2, 3, 4, 5. Release power button. And great, as you can see now, my Windows device is detected iPhone port DFU mode. As you can see, we are setting up Apple device support DFU mode. So wait a while. And that's it. Device is ready. Apple device port DFU mode is ready to flash or something what you wanna do. But as you can see, my iTunes is not recognizing the iPhone in DFU mode. I hope it's because this device is new and iTunes is not updated yet, and I hope in newest updates they will fix this trouble. So now unfortunately we can't use it with the iTunes, but if iTunes will works, you will see here smartphone in recovery mode detected, in the DFU recovery mode detected, and then you will be able to update, restore backup, or factory reset, or flash, or do something else. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.